Oh, he's gonna go this way. There you go, buddy. Oh, for fuck's sake, it's a pain in the ass. Oh, it's like Stinger. Oh, that sucks. Stinger caught someone, bro. That sucks. That sucks balls. Heard some sirens, kind of scared the shit out of me for a second there. Easy as though, we're fine. Okay, go, 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 go. Not gonna lie, I feel like a fucking man driving this car. Alright, this Hyundai I30N, fuck, just brings out the fucking best of me, eh? We're going up, 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 cause I'm golden. Growing, gotta be golden. I was alone. Fuck! Fuck me, went on a great drive today. Went through all the mountains and everything for a couple hours. Left at about 10 AM. I'd say. Yeah, 10 AM. It's 2:30 now. Fuck, just trying to get home. It's, look, there's no traffic. I'm fucked. Look, I'm happy. I'm going a bit grandma-ish because the new point-to-point cameras on the Gold Coast are, I'm not gonna lie, it's kind of scaring me. So, I'm staying under to be safe. I did have a mate in a Mustang. I think he's way back. You saw him at the start of the video. He was next to me. With me. Mate, I'll be doing 105 and 110 the whole way. He must drive like a fucking old man. And God, like, I never get past like this ever. I'd rather take like an extra minute to get home than fucking rack up a ticket. God, my fucking car's a bit dirty, eh? Well, you guys may not be able to tell other than a fucking receipt and a drink and my phone. But like the dust, because I had my windows down when I was driving through the fucking mountains, and all this shit, like the dust and dirt, just right in. I can see it straight away and it's pissing me off. See, if I took this exit, I'd miss the fucking cameras altogether. But I'm gonna take the exit afterwards because that's a lot fucking easier, and I've been going under the speed limit the fucking whole way. So there's no way. Right, there is no way I get caught. Right? Fuck, I guess we'll find out in 2 weeks. Stay tuned, guys. Woo! Push him. Come on, I need to get in front. Come on. SUV6. Oh, thank fuck. Move it. God. In a nice way. I didn't mean that in a mean way. I just meant a nice way. Like, oh, move, you know. My mate with the Mustang is nowhere to be seen at all. I don't know where he went, bro. He went to fucking, apparently he drove like an old lady. He's nowhere. Just gonna turn off my aircon for a second. We're gonna get a bit of a. I'm gonna put it in manual. We'll give it a go. Oh, I hear that. Oh, I love that. God. Oh, there's an N over there. He's got N-line rims on an N, or is that just me? Does he? That girl's on her phone. I can see her in the fucking side mirror. She's on her phone. She's on her fucking phone. I know. Oh fuck, someone move. Now I'm gonna fucking... Whoa, okay. There we go. Listen to that, I love that. Oh, I love that. God. You stay in second gear and you just fucking kind of push it. Just does all the good pops. Oh, I love it. See? Oh, I better turn off the aircon. Let's keep... Oh, there we go. Look at that. Fuck. Oh, I love that. Look at that kid. Yes. God damn. I love it.